Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share 3 strategies to get that perfect 700 on the GMAT. Follow these super helpful strategies for your GMAT preparation. First strategy. To get a 700 on the GMAT, you need to focus on raw score of your quant and verbal section. Your raw score in verbal should be around 38, and quant raw score around 47, to get an overall score of 700. Addition of your raw score in quant and verbal should be at least 85, to land near your target score. You need to attempt the exam strategically. Make educated guess on 2 or 3 tough questions in each section. Making an educated guess won't hurt your score. As on the GMAT some questions will be very hard to crack under 2 minutes, it is suggested to make educated guess on these questions and save your time. Master easier questions. You have to increase your accuracy on the easier and medium difficulty level questions. If you get easier questions wrong, then the penalty is high as compared to getting harder questions wrong. Hence, master easier questions. Third strategy. Prepare for the exam strategically. Focus on quality of questions as compared to the quantity of questions. It is suggested to practice from GMAT official guides. Make an error log. We practicing mark all the questions which you are getting wrong. And make sure to go through these questions before your exam. Your fundamentals of quant and verbal should be very strong. GMAT tests you on your conceptual knowledge. Create a study plan according to your strengths and weaknesses. It is suggested to daily practice both quant and verbal section of the test. These were the 3 most important strategies to achieve 700 on the GMAT. First, focus on raw score of each section. Second, attempt the exam strategically. And third, prepare strategically. Hope you enjoyed the points discussed here. Thank you for watching the video.